Welcome back to A Life Well Done. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick clean of my apartment, just tidying up a couple things before I go to bed. For more cleaning videos, make sure you hit that like button down below and let me know what's your favorite type of cleaning video to watch. I think it definitely helps that we don't have a coffee table to keep clutter on. However, we do use these TV stands, and here I had both of them set up with just some equipment where I was working on a voiceover earlier, and then I have out a lot of my planner supplies and stamping things. So I'm just going to be cleaning all those up, putting them away so I can get these tables put up. I actually had already ran the dishwasher earlier today, so I'm just quickly going to unload that, get everything up on the counter, so after I cook dinner tonight I can get everything reloaded and start with all clean dishes tomorrow morning. Decluttering our kitchen cabinets has definitely made putting away the dishes a lot easier. It's easy to stick things up there without trying to cram them so that the doors will shut.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over.
Now that I've got all the counters cleaned off, I'm going to go ahead and sweep the floors. Now, sometimes I won't use an actual broom to do this, I'll just use my shark vacuum, but tonight I already had the broom in here, so I'm just going to move everything around and do a quick sweep. Mopping definitely still isn't my favorite household chore, but I do love using my O-Cedar spin mop. I actually got this at Target a couple months back, and it makes the job a lot easier. One tip I also have for when I'm mopping is I go ahead and keep a little scrub brush hanging on the side of my mop bucket, and that way if there's any places stuck in the grout in between the tile, I can quickly grab that brush and scrub it up, and I won't be leaving it sitting there for later. Like I said earlier, I was getting ready to cook dinner, and so I have a couple things that I need to go ahead and just reload the dishwasher and have everything clean for the next day.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
I don't know why, but I don't seem to have a problem washing and drying my laundry, but getting it folded, I procrastinate over and over again. So I actually have about 3 loads worth of laundry here to go ahead and fold. I'm not going to bore you guys with watching me fold 3 loads of laundry. I know I'm not the best folder, so I'm going to use the magic of YouTube and just skip right through a couple of these baskets so we can get to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean up the house tonight. For more videos like this, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss another cleaning video. Thanks for watching.
Close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.